Okay, for anybody that has a JDM Mini compressor, it's right here. Alternators on the top, mounting bracket. So mine is a 94 SPI, and I do have an ECU. So the biggest concern for me was, is it going to clear the pulley that's added on here? See the additional pulley? So the answer is yes. It does fit. It looks like it's touching, but I can't get a good angle of it without it coming out of focus. So it's really hard to. So right there, it has the clearance that it needs. So if you're thinking about doing this conversion, just know that it will fit. The only way I got it out is by jacking it up, putting the frame on the jack, and then after that, supporting the engine from underneath, slightly raising it so I can get to those two bolts, remove those bolts, put them back in there, tighten them up, and then it has the adjuster screw that lets it slide left and right, which it's really hard to get to and see. Yeah, there's the screw. Right here. So this screw allows it to go left and right. So right now it doesn't look like it's centered, but it actually is. Okay. So he sends the whole kit, and then 1 second. So that kit comes with the pins that you need to repin this. And he has a picture on the website once you get this. So those pins on the internal side of the female adapter, if you look on the inside, they have numbers. I don't know if I'll be able to focus on those numbers. Anyways, it has numbers. And then the 1 pin is the furthest right now to the right, 2's in the center, and then 3's on the left. Well, the pin that he sends you is this one. So whenever you go to pin it, make sure you don't look at these numbers. It says 1, 2, 3, but that won't fit into the slot. So it needs to go like this. So you pin it 1, 2, 3, starting from the left side to the right. That's the only thing that I found that was a little bit confusing, because I was like, there's numbers on here, 1, 2, 3, but whenever you line it up, they don't match. So on his diagram, it shows you red goes to the right, signal is center, and then to the left is a negative. So make sure you pin it that way, and if you do that, you'll be dead on. Okay.